So in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what to say and what to do if you want your boyfriend to stop playing games with you. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I am dating and relationship coach. For the awesome high-value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So ladies, let's just get on with this, right? Now, the reason I decided to make this video is because I see a lot of dating coaches for men online coaching men how to play games with women. They promising men that if you're going to play this or this game, she's gonna be at your feet begging you to be with her. You know, you're gonna have a full control over her. She's gonna do whatever you want her to do. You know, and these dating coaches are promising men that, you know, like you're gonna have these beautiful, incredible women, usually without any self-value or self-worth, and you will be able to basically play them like a Muppet, right? Which obviously sounds really wrong and really crazy. And just before I actually tell you how to behave with a guy who plays these games and how to stop him doing that, if you are a guy and if you're watching this video, I just want you to know, if you're not aware of that, women do not enjoy playing games. Women are looking for a man who provides safety and security. We do not enjoy anxiety and we do not enjoy stress. We were not designed, we were not created to enjoy that. Right? So when a dating coach for men is telling you that you can play these type of games on women who are self-aware and who are mature, these games, not only they will not work, but they will make us lose attraction for you. However, there are women with who those games will work, and those games will work with women who don't have the knowledge, who have low self-value, who have low self-esteem, who come from toxic upbringings. So if you're looking for an immature woman like that, well, this is what you're gonna be playing with. And additionally, men do enjoy the game because men have a lot of testosterone. Women don't have that much testosterone as men do. So men do enjoy the challenge, men do enjoy the game, men actually do enjoy stress and anxiety. This is why a lot of guys are so passionate when it comes to goals and business. But please remember, people, men and women are different. We are not the same. So if a dating coach is coaching you how to play games with women, the only women it will work with are low value women who basically guys will use, abuse, get bored and move on, which is really sad. Anyway, ladies, if you are in a situation where the guy is playing games with you, so let's say the most important, you're being high value, you have your boundaries, you know he loves you, right? You can see through his actions that he loves you, he's looking after you, he's treating you kind, and now suddenly you can see that he's starting all these little games, tests, games, provocation. He is planting seeds in your mind. He is, you know, not keeping up his word. He's trying to make you jealous. He says things that don't make sense. For example, maybe you've been having amazing time together for months and months and months, and now suddenly he drops in something that doesn't even make sense, just like he's not that into you or something, right? And these games are piling up. So as a high value woman, if you have been coached by me, you will have the knowledge of these games and you will be able to spot the games that he is playing. Now, what do you do in this case? A lot of times we can stop the games by setting in the right boundaries, and I have an amazing video for that, how to get a man to respect you, which you can find right here. However, boundaries don't always work, especially if they are watching right now these super convincing dating coaches who say like, you must play this game and 100% it will work and she's gonna be at your feet, right? This is what we are promising men. So what you do, let's say for example, he gives you no contact for a week, right? And you know it's a game because it's coming out of the blue. And previously you can spot that he played many games, right? And as a high value woman, as I said, you're aware of these games. You break up with him. You tell him, this is not working for me. You break up with him, right? He played a game that crossed the boundary. 1 week of no contact, it's crossing the boundary. And as I say, like dating coaches for men now telling to guys, do 2 weeks of no contact and so on. He gives you 1 week, you break up with him. If you were high value in the whole relationship, your boyfriend will probably be totally crazy about you. He'll love you. He will love you. The only reason he was playing these games is just to get you to chase him and, you know, like believing the silly promises that those players are teaching him, right? So you break up with him. Very likely he'll come after you if he loves you and if you've been high value and he has strong feelings for you and he loves you. And this is what you say to him. You say, when he comes after you and he's trying to step it up, or he's checking, can he get you back and so on, or why did you break up with him? This is what you say to him, ladies. And I would say get a pen and write it down, because this is becoming so common. It's insane. You tell him, the reason I broke up with you is because I have noticed in the last few months that you started playing many games with me. And I thought, oh, it's gonna be okay, you know? But actually what happened, slowly I started to lose attraction for you. And at this time being, I think that we are not a fit anymore because our values and morals don't match. Now this is when he's gonna go on that dating coach channel and give him a bad review. So this is what you say, and then you see what he does, right? You see what he does and you take things slow after and you watch his steps. Is he playing these games or is he stopping them? Because obviously he's not gonna want you to lose more attraction for him, because the intention that he was playing these games with in the first place was for him to have the power over you, because you're going so crazy about him. His intention was never for you to lose attraction for him. Okay, so ladies, now you know how to stop a man to play games with you. And if it doesn't work and he still continues after, well then you have no choice but to really dump him for good, as is just ridiculous. And if you like my video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Get my games video where I'm sharing all the knowledge with you, so you're aware of the games men play and you do not fall into their trap and you know how to handle those games. I will drop down that video in as a pinned comment under this video description. Join Greta's High Value Women's School. We are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and get in touch with me over WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. Thank you for watching, Queens. Kisses from Manchester.